Sorry for shaking around. I hope you guys heard that. This mower has a steady miss, and once in a while it sounds normal, just like straight running hard, 3,200 RPM, and then it drops back. So I've had this mower in before, and I've changed everything, carburetors, coils, the whole bit. And so now I'm going to just take everything off this motor, and we're going to see what's wrong. Maybe it's a valve, flywheel, we don't know yet. All right, so you guys are coming along with me on this exploratory surgery. First, look at the spark plug. Oh, get a spark plug wrench. It's been running bad, so I expect to see some carbon on there. That's only after 10 hours of running. Could be worse. Oh, where's it? Alright, sorry about that. You know what those calls are like. Let's get this gas tank off of here now. I think we'll take it off. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just take it off here. I'm looking for a stuck valve, or it's got a little fuel in it. That's going to be hot too. Good. Now the carburetor. I might get that off with this, I'm not sure. Very nice. I'm not wasting too much time on the demo on this one, guys. Okay, what do we got left? The top. Looks like 2 5/8 and 2 7/16, or 2 3/8. 3/8. That's the dipstick holder. And now this should just lift off. All right. Now, I think we should back off the coil to get the flywheel off. I don't know if those are 5/16 or quarter inch. There's something not right with this motor, so I want to see if something's sticking. Now we need a 3/4. Should have one of those out. Oh, I think I put it back. Okay, I think well, maybe not. It's going to drip oil for sure. I'm just going to have a little look in there with the flashlight. I'm going to spin the motor and see what happens. See if anything's gummed up. Okay. And we're going to see if we have a valve problem. I think the valve gap is 20 thousandths, so I'm going to stop this and I'm just going to check in my book. Okay, my bad. It was 20. It's 10 thousandths, not 20 thousandths. That's why you look it up, right? I'm going to take that head off of there. Half inch. It might help if it's a little bit hot. I can save the head gasket. Okay. I don't have a lot of confidence in this one, so I'm just mixing these up. Now let's get that off of there without wrecking. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today without wrecking the head gasket. There, it's crossing over. Crossing over. Oh no, that's not the right song. Okay, we need the, this has been my lucky little screwdriver for saving head gaskets. Nope. It's wrecked. Alright guys, I'm parting this guy out. It's got serious issues. I can't get it to stop running with a miss. Because I have a hard time getting underneath here and looking, and I felt around the outside edge and it felt fine, but further back there's a big score. The score is not, so the score is not like where you'd just sit here and look. That feels great, but it's back up in there. Lifeline. I'm sorry. It's back up in there. Real bad. Real bad. So I don't know what got in there, but I'm suspecting that's what's been there all along and I missed it. Continue. Good coil. Pardon me. I'll be back in a bit. I'm just taking the screws off this carburetor here. And I think I can use this. And this is 5/16. That's a keeper, definitely. And then this will go into my Tecumseh springs and governor. Well, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Is this aluminum? Okay, let's dump the gas out of this somehow. There. Now that is a rebuilt carburetor. Alright, continuing with the dismantling. I'm actually going to keep the deck around for a little while. So I'm just doing the blade now. Perfect. And then, sorry guys, I'm just going to take the 3 motor bolts out while we're sitting here. Everything about this mower has been just a little bit different, guys. Okay, I gotta get the oil out of it. Oil bung out of there. That should be fun. Now we're gonna dump this oil out of here into something small. Perhaps the most valuable thing on a teardown is the blade adapter, guys. Because they get broken. If it's not the flywheel key, it's the blade adapter. That's a good old blade. Now I want to see this piston, so we're going to go 3/8 on the drive. I got a 3/8 out here somewhere already, I think. Yep. And I'm going to take this motor apart right here. Small hammer. Did I put that back? Yes, I did. So on these ones, they use a weight for the compression release. Okay, a little tiny 1/4 inch ratchet. And that looks like a 1/4 inch. On the, okay, right on here, you guys might be interested in this, if I can soak this oil up. Ooh! Ooh, goo! Funny, I always work on this metal side of my bench, eh? Okay, ratchet. Come on. Push that piston out. That's aluminum, right? All right, this is the beginning of the end for these pieces. That box is going in for steel, and this box is all pure aluminum. I even took most of the plastic stuff out. So hopefully I got a good price for it.